Alright guys, disregard all my short videos this morning that were on this Milwaukee starter kit because it was listed as $2.99 this morning with the option of the free tool still. Now this kit is actually going to be $1.99. You still had the same selection of tools. I just picked the M18 fuel hacksaw, and that came out to $88. Let's see what this jigsaw is all about. Saying $1.99 with a lower price. That came out to, I believe, $100 before. The jigsaw for $88. Wow, that is amazing. The same price as the hacksaw. So this must be at $159 now instead of $199 before the hack. Jigsaw for $88. Crazy. Yep, I'll leave a link in the description for you. You can check all this stuff out yourself. Let's see the battery too by picking the highest and most expensive tool. I guess I jumped the gun this morning. It was 6 o'clock this morning. I had just woke up. I knew the new deals were coming today. Now I didn't realize that this was supposed to be $1.99 and not $2.99. But it looks like all the tools are a little cheaper. So the job site radio is the most expensive one at $179. The battery should be at least $100. It should be down to $100 with that. $94 for the radio. $104.76 is the cheapest you'll get the batteries for. I mean, this is a good promotion. Now, don't get me wrong. We know DeWalt probably has the best promotion this holiday season, but Milwaukee, these ain't bad prices for their tools. So I'll leave a link in the description for you, and you can check them all out yourself.